Alright everyone, for this video, I just wanted to quickly discuss about the Medilines IPO, no? Medilines is owned by Virgilio, I hope I'm saying that right, Villar. Kapatid po ni Sir Manny Villar, no? So let's get right into it. Let's look at yung mga key details. First, they're targeting to raise over 2 billion. So, sa case ng Aldi, they were targeting to raise over 6 billion. Ito, they're targeting to raise over 2 billion. And then the offer period will be from November 11 to November 17, 2021. And then the listing date, meaning yung date na malalagay siya actually sa PSE, will be on November 25, 2021. Tapos ang projected IPO price for now is 2 pesos 45 cents per share. I tried looking around a few articles pero parang hindi ko mahanap yung band, parang hindi siya range. Parang naka-fix so far sa 2.45 but I'm looking more into that, and paalala lang that that's still subject to change kasi yung final pricing date is on November 8, 2021 pa. Okay? So, medyo may ilang linggo pa tayo bago tayo umabot doon, no? Although it is very, very close sa Aldi. Aldi will be listed on November 3, then like roughly a week later, mag-i-start na yung para sa Medilines. More key details. Roughly only 27% of the money raised will be used to grow Medilines business. Okay, 27%. I want you to imagine that. So, it's 2 billion, diba? Roughly mga 500 plus million lang will be used to grow Medilines business. The rest goes to paying off debts and into the owner's pockets. Usually, yung ganon, it's not the best of signs, no? Kasi para ang liit lang na portion nung pera ang magagamit sa kung anumang mga magaganda nilang pinaplano or binabalak para sa negosyo nila. Ideally, we want to see the proceeds ng mga IPO go into actual execution of the plans for that company. We want to see them expand. We want to see them grow. Diba? In the case of Medilines, maybe expand yung mga line ng products na kinakarry nila, or perhaps go into other medical fields. Diba? But here, ang liit lang na portion. The rest goes to paying off debts. And yun nga, into the owner's pockets. Public interest, based on what I've heard so far, and again, we still have a few weeks to go, is somewhere from low to medium. And this is taken from interest na napapansin nyo sa mga Twitter, sa social media, talking to a lot of traders, reading mga articles from brokers, and so on, no? Parang kinompile ko na lahat. One interesting detail is the DOH accounts for 77% of their 1H21 sales, so meaning first half of 2021 sales. Okay, we'll look more into that in the next slide, no? And then finally, Varian and Siemens, I hope I'm pronouncing those right now. If I'm not, I apologize. Act as primary non-exclusive, okay? And yung important na word dito, non-exclusive suppliers. Meaning, since sila yung primary na produkto na binebenta ng Medilines, kung naisipan nila na lumipat sa ibang supplier or to sell directly for one reason or another to yung mga hospitals, clinics, and so on, then medyo nalalagay tayo sa hindi magandang posisyon, no? Dahil nga, yun yung karamihan ng binebenta mo eh. Okay? Now, if you're banking on capitalizing on Medilines because of the pandemic, konting reminders lang. A lot of pandemic-related stocks have already given back a chunk of their gains. Moderna and BioNTech, as of this writing, okay, as of this video, have fallen roughly 40% from their highs, more or less. Top Glove, a company from Malaysia, has given up most of its gains. And more importantly, the current business model of Medilines is as a supplier of medical equipment such as X-rays, CT scans, etc. That's why nasabi ko kanina na importante yung keyword na non-exclusive yung deal sa kanila ng Varian and ng Siemens. Dahil nga, since ito yung business model mo, ito yung mga primary suppliers mo, and hindi sila exclusive sa'yo, then if may mangyari, baka malaki ang maging epekto sa negosyo ng Medilines. Okay? However, they have said that they intend to shift sa mga consumables, sa mga gamot, vitamins, sa mga drops or whatever. Hindi super specific, no, but they intend to look into adding consumables to their inventory in the future. Siyempre, baka pangako lang yon, but I'm hoping na totoo siya. Dahil siyempre, yung consumables, malaking tulong din siya sa mga ganitong medical na negosyo. Okay? And then, globally speaking, over 4 billion vaccine shots have been given, with some countries having inoculated more than 50% of their target population na. So, baka it won't be the best time, okay, para mag-bet or mag-speculate on a pandemic-related stock. Of course, something else could happen. Okay? I'm hoping na wala. I'm hoping na the world is slowly beating this. But, syempre, we have to be realistic that something might happen. And if it does, the whole pandemic-related stock thing could change. But for now, as of this video, those are the facts. And then finally, let's take a quick look sa revenue chart ng Medilines, no? So, they have steadily grown. Okay, albeit yung 2018 to 2020 nila, hindi nila exactly na match yung 2017 nila na sales. However, for the first half of 2021, we are on track to reach yung 2017 na high. No, and that's good. Pero let's wait and see what happens. Diba? Dahil nga, since primarily yung sales mo nanggagaling sa DOH, yun nga, 77% of yung sales mo sa first half ng 2021 is from DOH. Kapag they decide to order less or baka maapektuhan ng eleksyon, diba? Kung nag-iba yung leadership, kung nag-iba yung structure, sa'yo pa rin ba sila tuloy mag-order? Hindi natin alam. So that's just something that we need to watch out for. Okay? Sabi ni Ivan Glassenberg, it's nice to do an IPO where your investors get value straight away and the share price pops up. It proves you left something on the table for them. In this specific instance, so far, it's not really feeling like that. Brain mo, ang laking chunk ng proceeds. Hindi investors yung directly maikinabang eh. Diba? I am not saying it's bad to pay off your debts, and I am not saying it's bad na, you know, to pocket some of your gains, to pocket some of, kumbaga, to get your reward. But in this particular instance, it's such a huge chunk of where the proceeds are going that it doesn't exactly bolster confidence. Diba? But all that said, again, paalala lang, all of that is still subject to change. We still have a few weeks to go. Wala pa yung final price. And when more details come up and ma-release na nga yung final price na yan, we'll make another video. Baka may mga bago silang gagawin. Baka magbago isip nila. Baka bumaba yung IPO price and so on. A lot of different things could still change, no? Fluid pa siya. Okay? And we'll make another video then and babantayan natin yan together and magtutulungan tayo para madiskubre yung iba-ibang mga detalye na i-release nila along the way. So that's it guys, no? I hope nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. I hope you found it helpful kahit papano. And if so, I would really appreciate it if you give this channel a like and consider subscribing. Sorry, give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Ano ba yan? And as always guys, no? Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Good luck and happy trading.